cars all on the side of the road, and because it's Sunday morning we can't buy any of it. We don't think. Ooh. Look at it. Isn't that lovely? I didn't realise that they were all going to go like a beautiful golden colour. Oh, we're entering a zone of danger. Look at that. Beautiful, lovely Sunday morning. Just wanted to show you our view this Sunday morning as we're travelling through. We think we're in the Alsace region now. Just past a little market, so you can go and get all your apples and wine and stuff.
Some pommes de terres.
Yeah, Pompty, everything. Little lake there. But there's some blooming great mountains just over there.
Right, well, we're here on our first day in Germany. We're in a little village called Zell in Wiesental. It's just typical mountainous Germany, on the edge of the
blue sky, isn't it?
Yeah, just on the edge of the Black Forest. Closer to Switzerland than anywhere. I was a bit concerned that we might end up going into Switzerland, but thankfully we didn't. One country I've not been yet, and we're just having a walk around. It's got a moat. Yeah, well, maybe not for a beer garden, but what I was going to say is it has got a Mozart connection. From our best made-up German that we can read, it appears that maybe Mozart's mother was born here. So we've done a little trail of 12 little plaques to memory, and we're just walking through the tiny little steps. We did understand that in Schnee and ice and glass the steps might be difficult, but I think we'll manage at this time of the year. Oh look, it's a beautiful swan, little lake, just wonderful. People out enjoying the last of the sunshine. We parked up near the textile factory that used to have a little railway run all the way up. I don't know if the railway continues further down the valley or not, but it's long gone and is now a glorious cycle path for the health and vitality types. Anyway, I'm going to put it away because I'm starting to get a few funny looks. Sprachen die English in the land of Deutschland. Buffy has found a flashing frisbee and is currently trying to destroy it into bits. Get out! Come on, we're meant to be walking up to the church up there.
Oh, I don't think we can. I don't think we can get that far with it.
Well, the Rhine, not the wine, the rain has finally stopped. So we finally came out to have a little walk up to the little chapel. It's just very pleasant.
It's lovely. We've also acquired a dog toy.
A dog toy that she found.
I've had to hide in a poo bag.
Yeah, because Buff went by me with it. As you probably saw earlier, as this video for this small town isn't going to actually consist of very much other than us being here for the first few days.
It's been quite quiet, hasn't it?
It has been a quiet day today. I did a bit of video editing this morning while it rained. Done a little bit of shopping. Get some food.
Wine.
Get some wine, not German. But it's great because they discount Italian, Australian and French wines down to German wine prices, so that's always a good thing.
Okay.
So I'm trying to look at the camera and walk uphill as well. But as I say, we've just came here.
I bet those stained glass windows are beautiful inside.
Well, maybe we'll see. It's a tiny little chapel.
Look at the town.
Yeah, that's a small town. It's actually quite considerably bigger at this end. That's where the train station is. You can see the train down there. That line used to continue along the river bank, where you could see the car park with Aldi and Adika. That used to be the big textile mill where we're parked up. There's a small part of it just beyond it, which is now a museum. But yeah, it's been a lovely little stop. Just what we needed for the first few days.
It's closed.
No, sadly it's closed, so we can't see in. But there's a little information board on it.
Chapel of Calvarienberg for something Mother of God.
Built in 1889, renovated in 51, 67, 89 and 2009.
For 20 years.
Pretty much. You wish. We're in Todd now, and I'm going to have a go on the cable cart and the toboggan roller coming down. It's nearly 3 kilometers long. I don't know how long it takes, but I'm going to give it a try. You're not trying?
No, I have to hold the dog.
Oh yeah, she's going to hold the hund. Right, so here I go. Right, so here I am. I'm on the little chairlift. I think I can take that off now. And that's people coming down. That looks pretty quick, to be honest. We will see when we get to the top. Right, well, we're somewhere near approaching the top, I think. Still got an amazing view behind us of the town. People still coming down on the track. There's a mountain bike course as well, and if you notice, every other one of these carts, they can either run one of the trolleys on that you ride down on, or it looks like it's got 2 bars to hang your bikes on, so it carts your bikes up and you ride your mountain bike down. A lot of people are doubled up on these, but not for me. Oh, what a pity the guest house isn't open at the moment. Could have done with a beer before going down here. You can see the clouds being swept down the hill. It's a pretty amazing view. Well, apologies for not videoing it, but cameras were verboten, but that was damn good. Really, really good. But in this weather, it was so cold on your face. I was alright going along because my glasses cleared up, but the moment I stopped, they just steamed up like crazy. But yeah, a lot of fun, a lot of fun. And look who's waiting. Oh, okay. Crazy hund.
How was it?
Oh, it was fun. Couldn't film on it. No, the cameras were verboten, both hands on the stick.
Oh.
But yeah, strange. Never get away with that in England. Never in a month for Sundays. But yeah, a lot of fun. So cold coming down. Right. It's the we're just in the village of Todd now. This is the big chapel. It's the Church of Saint Johannes. There's some little story here. Do we know? No. I've asked my translator and she's got no idea.
The New York Times.
Yeah, little sweet courtyard. Dog's trying to trip us up again. Dash under like that.
A dash under. So I'm a happy bunny now because we've just managed to find a laundrette which is underneath somebody's house, and there's a very nice lady in there, and through like pidgin German and lots of sign language I've managed to get enough change to put in 2 loads of washing, and she's given me enough change for the drying, but we might be here for a while, so while we're here,
I thought I'd clear the jets out on the.
He went to make a cup of tea. Let's be right, and then decided to start cleaning things. So he's pulling jets out of the cooker, and
I'm trying to get screw heads that have had 10 years of use in a hot, wet, damp environment out.
So hopefully we'll have a more
cleaner burn.
Yeah, a more satisfactory cooking experience, as well as having clean pants.
Clean pants. Well, whilst Helen continues with getting the washing and the drying done, I've just sorted out our stop for a night. In France we were using all the air guides and then checking it up on online resources like Camper Contacts, Search for Sites, Park for Night. But here in Germany we're basically just using Park for Night and Search for Sites. We have paid for the use of them, but they are free, but you get enhanced features if you pay. It's about £8 a year, and it just makes it so much easier. So we'll be stopping tonight with views of Lake Titisee. It's a local grill Platz with a large parking area. Hopefully it'll be all right, but it'll be our first night of proper wild camping in the mountains. So let's hope it's good. We'll see when we get there. Right, we've arrived at our little stop for the evening. It's a little communal grill Platz. It's near a ski slope. There's a ski lift. There's a little open area, kids play area.
I think Helen will be on that zip wire thing later.
The sun's out. Oh, a little zip wire, maybe a monkey hanging. No, I can't touch nothing. I have to disinfect. But yeah, sky's clearing a little, so might have a lovely day.
Beautiful. Well, we're hoping that we're going to get some stars tonight, aren't we?
Yeah, for the first time since Cartilage.
Or somewhere.
Yeah, I believe so. But yeah, we've done a bit of washing today. Had a very quiet day.
It made me very happy.
And we only had a short 3.5 mile drive up into the hills, just to this tiny little place. As I say,
careful.
Found it on Park for Night.
Yeah,
we're the only van here at the moment. Can't imagine there's going to be any trouble. It's just lovely.
There might be some trouble because there's an electric fence there, and Alan has form for touching electric fences.
I touched an electric fence with my bum once, and yes, it made me jump.
It was hilarious.
Yeah, the fact we were on the 200 metre high cliffs of Mauer with the sea beating below us, and I bent down and bloody zapped my arse.
Yeah,
apologies for swearing if arse is bad, but yeah, we'll be alright. Oh, and look, we're in Titsy Neustadt. Watch your guidance. Don't eat no food. Keep away, 1.5 meters.
Don't catch COVID.
Yeah. But anyway, we'll see where else we go from here while we continue on our trail on the Gag Way, or the Gag Wag, or the gag weg.
And we're in the Black Forest.
We are definitely in a dark forest. Yeah, look at that. Oh, beautiful trees. And the dog. I don't know how well this will pick up. First time I've used the GoPro in slightly dark conditions.
I know.
But it's looking like it's doing quite well.
I'm worried that we won't get back to the van and then we won't be able to have a beer tonight.
I'm sure we'll find the van. If we just keep turning left, we'll find a van.
I'll tell you what, these pine cones look like dog poos.
Pine cones look like dog poos.
Mm.
Oh, don't tread in them then. We'll see you on the next part of this adventure. Well, you don't get much more Black Forest than a good walk, lots of trees,
You've even got the moon behind you.
Jesus on his cross, little farmhouses. I'm going to have to go slow so it transitions properly. Oh, Helen's just untied me from the dog. You've got the mountains, a little bit of sky. It's just wonderful. They call this the Alpen View Panorama, and I thought I was just going to get some little biscuits. But yeah, just got the moon coming out there. Lovely. So we're just on our way back. We've just tried to have a discussion what those in the centre of your picture are. Helen thinks they might be the tops of mountains or possibly cloud.
I don't think they're cloud.
Well, sort of here.
No, further over.
No, sort of there.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's just going dark. It's a little bit fresh around the ears. But what did you just say?
I don't know what did I just say.
You just said it's very lovely.
I did say it's very lovely. But I will be. I'll be glad to get in and get the heating on.
No heating going on tonight. That's what you come to the mountains for. Health and vitality.
Well, you can have health and vitality outside in the log cabin then, matey.
Well, plenty of wood. I'm going to go and set fire to the grill.
Oh, I thought there was something coming. It's all right.
She's imagining.
Oh,
She has only
down
had
the middle of
half
the
a
road.
pint of Schneebock. I'm quite certain somebody would go, Ausfang, Ausgang, Asfart.
Which is the funniest word ever.
Asfart is a funny word.
Gut fart is even better.
Well, there's a town just north of us called Furtwangen,
Yeah.
and
Alan wants to go.
we might have to have a little drive through Furtwangen.
He's only just made this detour so he can go to Titty Sea today.
Well, Titty Sea is another funny word, isn't it? we had Titty Drive in
Yeah, we did.
Biscarrosse all that while
No,
ago.
what was it called?
Oh, it got something in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Anyway.
anyway, enough joviality. The night is getting dark.
And my
It's-
face is getting frozen.
It is a little bit cool. It's about as cold as it was when I was coming down that toboggan run today. Yeah. Oh, now there's a car
No, there
coming.
really is a car.
There is a cut off and coming.
No,
Right.
that's a potato.
It could be a potato driving. You say potato, I say Skoda. Who's to say, eh? But don't fall off the side of the road. Even I've only had half a
God,
beer.
it's like scenes of mild peril.
Yeah, well, we've got to add something to the adventure, haven't we? Anyway, night everyone.